If you're getting Xbox error code 0x87e107df along with the message, "There might be an outage in our online service, try again later," then don't worry. Before making this video, I checked the official Xbox status page, Xbox support updates, DownDetector reports, and community discussions where thousands of players reported experiencing the exact same problem. After reviewing all the information, I found that in most cases, this isn't an issue with your Xbox console at all. Instead, it's usually caused by a temporary outage on Microsoft's Xbox services. In this video, I'll show you how to confirm whether it's a server issue and what you can do while waiting for the services to come back online. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check the official Xbox status page. If Xbox is experiencing a service disruption, you'll usually see sections marked as Major Outage, Limited, or Up and Running. During major outages, services like account sign-in, game launching, Xbox Live, the Microsoft Store, or cloud gaming may be affected. Next, check the official Xbox support page. Whenever Microsoft detects a widespread issue, they usually post a notification explaining which services are currently affected and whether their engineers are already working on a fix. You should also check DownDetector. If you notice a sudden spike in reports from other players, that's another strong indication that the problem is happening on Microsoft servers rather than your own console. Another place worth checking is the Xbox Support X, formerly Twitter account. During major outages, Xbox Support regularly posts updates about ongoing investigations, confirms they're aware of the issue, and lets players know when services have been restored. If all of these sources indicate that Xbox services are currently experiencing problems, unfortunately there's nothing you need to repair on your console. In most cases, you'll simply have to wait until Microsoft servers are fully restored before the error disappears. While you're waiting, there are still a couple of basic things you can try. Restart your Xbox console completely, then launch the game again. Sometimes the connection is restored automatically after the console reconnects to Xbox Live. If the error continues, restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. After your internet connection comes back online, reconnect your Xbox and try launching the game again. Although these basic steps may help if the problem is related to your local network, if the Xbox servers are currently experiencing a major outage, the only real solution is to wait until Microsoft resolves the issue. These were the most commonly recommended steps based on the official Xbox status page, Xbox support updates, DownDetector reports, and community discussions. Hopefully, this helped you understand why you're seeing error code 0x87e107df and what you should do next. If you're still getting the error after Xbox confirms that all services are back online, let me know in the comments exactly which game you're trying to launch, and I'll do my best to help you out.